TIGLON has sent me another product. This is a sunlight. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, but Yorkie, you've done one of them already. Yes, I have, but not like this. This one comes with a remote control. So you can put it in an obscure place, somewhere where you can't reach it very easily, and just use your remote control to control it. So we are going to be doing a review on this product, and also I'm going to give you a scenario where or how you might want to use something like this if you've never used one of these before. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? Right, I'm not going to show you around the box because that is it. That is all you get. So I'm just going to open it and see exactly what we get inside. Nice bit of padding, by the way. So what's this? Sunset protection LED light, USB live broadcasting rainbow. I'm not going to read all that out. Oh, there's quite a bit in here. So the light itself. Oh, that's got some weight to it. That is quite heavy. Oh, that looks really nice actually. Look at that. You see all the gubbins inside. Looks a bit like a tyre, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks really nice actually. So USB connection on the back, air vents to keep it cool. It does rattle a bit, but it's not designed to be moved about anyway. So it comes with a little tripod. Oh, has it got a tripod stand? Oh yeah, it has. There you go. Ah, very good. I like these because you know, you can manipulate them however you want them, which is really good. But these things here, I always find they tend to break, so you've got to be a little bit careful with these little things. Yeah, should go on there like that. Yes. Get these feet out. Or legs, bend it like Beckham, yeah, how's that? What else get it? Remote control, so basically on off, and a USB, and that looks quite long. I would say at least a metre, no, I'd say 2 metres, and it's a USB to, oh, Type-C connection, nice, very nice. So I can't see an on-off switch. Oh yeah, of course. It works straight from the remote, so it probably doesn't need an on-off switch. Now, has it got a battery in it? Hopefully it has. Let's just try it. I'll soon find out. Might have to be plugged in. Probably has actually. Yeah, it's got battery in it. I think I've got spare ones of them anyway. So we need to power it up. So give me a second while I power her up. Luckily, I had this little baby here. It's handy. Power bank. It should work. Plug her in. USB in there. Oh, yes. Hang on. Oh, look at that. See that? Oops. Let's tighten that up a bit. Oh, it's blinding me. Move it away. Oops. That's it, Yorkie, you break it. Right, see that? Yes, you can. Right, let's see what this does. So, off. Yep, she's off. On. On again, see what happens. Is that it? No. Oh, it is changing. I'll leave it like it does that. Yeah, see that? That's your sunlight. Press it again. Goes to, I call that pulsing, yeah? Press it again. And that's static. So that's the static blue. So whatever colour is coming up, if you press the on button again, it will stay on that colour. Let's prove it. Let's go back to the green one. That's yellowy green. Oh, that's a purpley colour. Blue. White. red, green. Yes. Ah, that was easy to work out. Didn't even need the instructions. So what I am going to do is I am actually going to read the instructions just in case there's something on there that I need to read and let you know about. But first impressions, yeah, very nice. And then we're going to do a scenario that you might find interesting on why you might want to buy one of these. So give me a second, I will be back. I've had a read of the instructions and there's not a lot in there actually to read, but one of the things it does say, if you want to slightly change the angle or the shape of the actual circle itself, you need to play about with changing the angle of the lamp and moving it backwards and forwards. That will give you either a bigger lamp or smaller lamp if you move it backwards and forwards. Hopefully that's obvious anyway. But by turning it, you will actually get a slightly different effect as well. So you need to turn it and angle it slightly different, and it will give you, hopefully, the effect that you are looking for. It will always be a round or oval shape, never going to be a square shape, but as you can see with me playing about with it, you do get different effects depending on how you play about with it. So this is one of the scenarios I was talking about. So for instance, you might want to highlight a picture like I'm trying to do here, and you might want a certain colour, or you might want a random colour depending on what you want it to actually do. So I just wanted to give you a few scenarios. Also I have another one just on a plain wall. So if you want it on a plain wall or on a ceiling perhaps, and you're trying to get a certain mood, you can do that. Point it up to the ceiling, it should point up with no issues. You will have to move the tripod about and make sure there's a leg under it if you're pointing at a ceiling, because otherwise it's just going to fall over, because it is quite heavy. But I wanted to show you that as well and how easy it is to do, and as you can see, it's a nice bright cheerful colour. Let me know what you would use it for and how you would use it. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.